Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Predictions by Neeti Katyal. Well, today we are going to discuss a situation that most of us experience at some point in our lives. The heartache or a breakup. A broken relation comes with great emotional distress and anguish. It stresses all your chords and has a deep impact on your life as well. It is essential to get over more systematically by adopting a few self-care strategies to combat the difficult time and embrace the solace. Here are some tips that can help you to get over a broken relationship. Manifest affirmation. In difficult times, people tend to think differently. Negative thoughts often overcrowd our mind and tend to have a pessimist approach. During such time, one must be calm and think about the positive things in life. Do not allow the negativity to take over your mind. Indulge in self-healing. Grief is not same for everyone. Everyone has their own mechanism for coping up with stress. Let your emotions flow and indulge yourself in the self-healing process. Permit yourself to feel all of your sadness, anger, loneliness, or guilt. Explore the world around you. A research says that spending 2 hours a week outdoor can lead to a better mental and a physical health. Well, just expedite around. Look at the beautiful world around you with a positive mindset and an open heart. Grasp the new change and form a new routine. Reconnect. Going through a bit loss or a change due to the breakup is little tricky. It may feel at times unsure about your feelings, emotions, and even existence. During such time, relax and take a deep breath. Do what you feel like and connect your body through the exercise and spending time with the nature or connecting spiritually or with the philosophical beliefs. Well, as you navigate through the process of overcoming your relationship breakup, you will come across several experiences that will mold your personality and crave a path for you. However, just remember, a broken relationship is not the end of the world and the biggest grief of your life. Move on with the confidence and compose yourself for the future. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for some more astrological updates.